Hi everyone, this is Sewing for Hobby. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to do an earring project. If you want to learn how to make these earrings, stick around and do what I do and you will learn how to make some earrings. Today you'll need a charm, you need gold earring hooks, some jump ring. I'm using gold because gold is easier to see on camera. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to open up these jump rings. There we go. Take your chain nose pliers. Take your flat nose pliers. Open it. Now you see that hole? You stick it through that hole. And then you put the earring hook on. And close it back up. Set that down. I'll do it again. Open it. Stick it through the hole. Take your ear hook. Close it back up. And there you have it. One pair of earrings, sorry. You made 2 charms, 1 pair. It takes 2 because you have 2 ears, so obviously you need 2 charms of your choice. It works the same method on any, type of charm, or it works the same way. So whoever you decide to choose, you can have a lot of fun mixing your charms up with these types of projects. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to give me a good thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Goodbye, everybody.